Just as another note, you're gonna have to unloosen that pulley and that pulley to get the cable back in to go through. Also, just to tighten those down as well. But you'll just have to take those two loose. So far, I'm using a 9/16 inch wrench, and also this is a hex head on the ratchet, and that is 5.5. It's a 5.5, which is a metrics, but if you have just a regular hex head metric tool, you can it'll be on there, the one with the multi-tools on it. So far, these are the three things that I've used: the retainer clip to take off, and also the 9/16 and a 5.5 hex head tool with a ratchet. I am loosening this pulley. This is on the top side of the press arm. I'm loosening this screw, this nut, off of this screw that's on the other side. So when I take those two screws out, it'll release the pulley and the cable from the press arm. And once I release those two, then I can go up and loosen that screw, which goes all the way through to the other side to that screw, which is the only screw that's holding your press arm in place. So when I take that piece off, then your gem will be very slim. Actually, it'll be slimmer than me, and I'm 300 pounds, and I fit through your doorway, so I know that'll fit through your doorway. But once I get those off, I will be taking off this screw and then loosening the guide rods, so you can take your weight stack off, which will allow that portion of the gym to be moved with just two guys. Yeah, the weight stack, you have to walk a couple times with 5 plates at a time, so so it's easier. But yeah, that way you can maneuver and take this and put this in another place. Simple enough. And I'll show you at the end what this looks like without the weight stack and the press arm on. And I can pretty much lift that myself, but to be able to go out this door in this house, I would recommend 2 guys carrying it. All right. But yeah, it is simple enough if they're just laying, lay it flat, or actually going out with one guy carrying the top and one guy carrying the bottom portion. You can go through the doorways, and if you just turn sideways and kind of flip it around as you go through the door, it'll walk out. Besides, you have, if I'm not mistaken, double doors, so it actually works a lot better. I'll be back. Okay, and I'm back. Now, if you can remember, this is where that screw, that main bolt up top that holds that press arm in place. This is the press arm here, and it holds that press arm in place up top. But you also have one here, a screw here. Once you lift that off, this whole piece will come off, so you can put it back on in its place. And that's what I'm going to do. You got one on the right side, and you got the same thing on the left side. I'll put the screws back in the axle, so literally you gotta take them off to put the press arm back on. But just wanted to show you that and give you kind of an idea of. I'm gonna back up so you can kind of see exactly where that's coming from, right at the top of the press arm. In fact, it goes right through that neck of that press arm bar. There you go, and I'll be right back.
Don't forget my truck from the shop. Still gotta go and do that one job.
This is without the weight stack, the press arm. It's just the main base line gem, which will go through a door, upstairs, or anything you need. But easy and simple. I'll send you the video. You can put everything back together just like I was taking it apart. Once again, this is that upper portion where the press arm is, those links come out, so you can just set the press arm in and put those back in to hold it. But there you go.